In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively teach using step-by-step instructions by leveraging the power of ChatGPT. This guide will help you easily create structured lessons that are engaging and tailored to your audience. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and enter chat.openai.com in the address bar. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have one yet, just follow the simple sign-up process. After logging in, you'll find the chat box front and center, which will be the primary tool for crafting your lesson. Begin by clearly stating the teaching topic and your intended audience in the chat box. This ensures that ChatGPT understands the context and can tailor the instructions accordingly. For example, you might say, "Teach 5th grade students how photosynthesis works." Be specific about both the subject and the audience to ensure the content is pitched at the right level. Next, prompt ChatGPT to format the outlined concept into step-by-step instructions. Request that it explains the topic in a digestible format, such as 5 to 7 simple steps. This breakdown helps both teachers and students understand and follow along with ease. If you have any specific teaching style or approach in mind, make sure to include that in your message. For instance, you could say, "Make it fun and interactive." This helps the AI to infuse creativity and engagement into the lesson, making it more appealing to younger audiences. After sending your initial request, ChatGPT will generate a series of steps based on your input. It's essential to review the steps it provides to ensure they align with your lesson's goals and are appropriate for the learning level of your audience. Consider the clarity, accuracy, and engagement level of the content. If the output needs refinement to better suit your needs, don't worry. You can enhance it by adding visuals or suggesting activity ideas that complement the text. Visual aids and activities are excellent for reinforcing learning and keeping students engaged. Once you're satisfied with the generated instructions and any additional elements you've included, copy this final version into your lesson plan or presentation. By doing so, you create a comprehensive, well-structured guide that makes teaching easier and more effective. And there you have it, how to teach with step-by-step instructions using ChatGPT. By incorporating these steps, you can ensure your lessons are clear and compelling. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to iterate on this process until you find your perfect approach. Thank you for tuning in, and happy teaching!